travelling, I didn't really know what I wanted to do. So I thought I'd dedicate a little bit of time to other people.
There is a quote that says, "There is no better exercise for your heart than reaching down and helping to lift someone up." And you know, giving back to others is a way many people find a sense of direction and bring a purpose to their lives.
I was looking after children during the day whose parents weren't coping, and just seeing their faces when you can actually do something to make them smile was just the most phenomenal feeling.
By focusing on others, people can feel a rush of euphoria followed by a longer period of calm. A number of studies have shown that people who volunteer actually have lower levels of stress hormones.
Mary and Cindy and Christy. Yeah. And you all volunteer in one way or another.
Yes, we do.
You're all working with children. What's so great about giving back? Why do you do it?
To give back to the community that gave me so much. I'm a second generation immigrant, so it feels good to give back.
And I think it makes you more grateful for what you have and want to somehow share that with others.
Christy volunteered overseas.
I was actually living on a ship and going from port to port and distributing literature for families that couldn't afford maybe to go and buy books at the local bookstores. And it was great. It changed my life.
How so?
I became, I think, a different person in the sense that I started looking at other people and what they needed and started looking outside of myself.
Over the past 2 decades, we've seen a growing body of research that shows volunteering provides individual health benefits in addition to social benefits. This research has established a strong relationship between volunteering and health. Those who volunteer have lower mortality rates and lower rates of depression later in life than those who do not volunteer.
When you don't make it about you, the journey for me has been wonderful.
Earlier this year, we met Maureen, who's giving back within her own family.
I take care of my mom who lives with me, who's 94 this month. So 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, doing it for 5 years. I've learned a lot about life, dignity, the quality of life. I've watched my mom age very gracefully.
For more than a decade, Maureen has cared for family and friends in their journey to the end of life. Her mom now has dementia, and Maureen's ability to care for her is precious.
Has the giving back changed your quality of life?
Absolutely, because the time I've had with her, there's been lots of healing. It's the ability to give back to someone who took care of you.
You know, after I led a medical group to assist during the Haiti earthquake, so many people came up to me and said, "I wish I were a doctor or a nurse so I could do something." Well, I say, you don't have to have a medical degree. There are so many ways to give back. Find a cause that moves you and just get involved.
It made me realise that I couldn't just do an office job for the rest of my life, so I decided to study medicine. So now I'm halfway to being a doctor. So it's really changed my life.